Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how to shoulder hoop. All right, so grab your hoop. Best kind of hoop to use is a Poly Pro. All right, because they are a little bit more flexible. And what we're going to do, we're going to take our hoop and pop it on our shoulders, just below your shoulders, on your shoulder blades. So it's just touching about there on my back. All right, and what we're going to do, I'm going to push my hoop off and I'm going to turn with my hoop because it allows the hoop to go a little bit slower, which will enable you to actually get the move. Okay. As I push off, I'm going to go to the left. That's the way I hoop. I'm going to push my chest forward. So I'm kind of making my chest nice and round, the same kind of shape as the hoop, so that it's got somewhere to follow. Okay. And then as the hoop goes around, I'm then going to arch my back. I'm going to curve it in so that I've got an arch on the back that the hoop can go around. All right. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. There we go. So hopefully you could see me kind of like pushing and then pull it in, pushing and pulling it in. One more thing that I want to talk about is my right shoulder. So as my hip goes across my chest and is going around my back, I'm going to use my right arm to kind of like hook it and give it an extra push. So it's like pushing it round, pushing it round, pushing it round. So again, I'm just going to be quiet as I do this bit because of my little speaker thing there. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to push. Notice my shoulder. There we go. And I feel like my hoop's actually a little bit small, but if it's a little bit bigger, you can actually stand still and do your shoulder hooping. But I just find it easier with a small hoop to keep turning. All right, guys, so hopefully that was useful. A very quick tutorial on shoulder hooping, but I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you very soon. Oh, and PS, at the minute, I'm 18 weeks pregnant. So if I'm looking a little bit bigger, that's because I'm pregnant. All right, guys, see you later.